Oh, motherfucker. Okay, whatever. Why is this gapping up again? God, I hate this stock. I sold it, uh, like here. Um, oh yeah, Asana is gapping. I don't know if I care about this one as much, but let's watch it. This weekly is dog shit. Now let's do okay. I think I'm gonna buy these names. What's highs on this? 1091. These are ready, guys. So is well, let's just buy these. Let's just set 715. My average on Soundhound is 765. Yeah, Soundhound and QBTS. Good day yesterday. A lot of things kind of crap the bed though. Like my fucking Semler. I hate this stock. What the fuck is this, dude? Anyway, yeah, AOI also bad day, but I'm just holding it. This deserves to be held. Anyway, 715 on Zena. Let's buy. I'm setting stop buys for like tiny, tiny, tiny starters. Like not even 1% of the account. Because I just need to track these if they go. CRDO is ready too, I think. Yeah. Do I have an alert for highs? Yeah, I do. Let's do 7270. Okay. And then GitLab and Rubric, I'm not gonna buy, I think. Dave and I also Dave is ready too, I think. Is it liquid enough now, guys? It's liquid enough, right? I'm not gonna set a buy alert for this one though. A buy stop. QSIs, I'm also watching this. I don't know. I'm not so excited about it. It's super thin. Man, I shouldn't have sold this fucking BBAI, dude. So fucking annoying. Yeah, Petco going. Petco, but I don't know if I want to buy this either, to be honest. But you know what? I'm gonna add it to let's add it to let's just add it here. Uh let's watch it. This had a decent 30 minute, but I don't like that it's like a dollar, but maybe it doesn't matter. Look at all these fucking setups, guys. I don't want to buy this one anymore either. I had 1% of my account in this, but oh, I cut this yesterday too. I thought I was gonna fail. I bought it here. Should have just trusted this 30 minute. I don't know why I didn't. What about Upstart? I don't think I'm gonna buy anymore. I don't think I'm gonna buy Dave on open though. I'm gonna buy the top four here. These four. If they break highs, these are the best ones. AI's got earnings on Monday, right? Monday afternoon or night or morning? Okay, Monday afternoon. It's getting sold at this 38 level so far, but we'll see. I'm assuming a lot of people got shaken out yesterday, right? Did you guys get got by this Bitcoin liquidation? It was fucking hilarious. Negative 5% in like, was it 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minute candle. So he's down 6.7, 6.8% in 5 minutes. Fucking destroyed, dude. But yeah, I sold some into the into this. I sold some here. I sold some of all my crypto names, but as you can see, I rebought Wolf and Hut on Wednesday because look at this shit. This is so annoying, especially on Hut, right? Like undercut these lows almost. Oh no, it didn't. Which one undercut the lows? Was it Wolf? Yeah, Wolf undercut these lows. Hut actually did not undercut this low. Anyway, Carvana might be ready for another leg. Let's see. I'm not gonna add though, but I'm just drawing this. Was this 360s a major level? I don't know. Everything up here is kind of up in the air in my opinion. When did I buy IonQ? I bought it on, was it Monday or Friday? I think Friday. I had this on my stream on Monday, but no, I bought it sorry, not Monday. I bought it Tuesday. Tuesday, yeah, yeah. I keep thinking it's like Wednesday or Thursday. It's Friday already. I bought it on this day, on Tuesday. Yes, I'm aware of what's gapping, dude. Thank you though. DocuSign is way too slow. Although, you know what? DocuSign's like 280R. I'm glad I held some Roblox. A perfect weekly chart, dude. Look at this. This is perfect weekly chart. Four candles like this. You can't see it as well in the daily, but this is a 5-star setup. Between these two levels, right? Hopefully you guys see it. This can go to 100. What is this? It's a China fintech, China insurance. No news. Okay. Unemployment rate is same. This is so funny. Look at this. What the hell is this? Anyway, this could speed up, I guess. Dude, this fucking piece of shit who I used to work with went to DocuSign, and he went to DocuSign when it was like 280s, and he got owned on the stock package. He deserved it. This guy used to harass me at work, because he would repeatedly harass me, even though I blocked him on social media, and he started harassing me on work Slack, because I talk shit about Israel killing people, and then he just kept calling me anti-Semitic. This fucker. This is the one and only time I went to HR, and they shut that shit down. At least. This is why is this gapping, guys? Yeah, no, exactly. It does. So I blocked him on socials, like three different social media accounts before. Anyway, but anyway, he got what was coming to him. Thank God. Which is, I think he was struggling to make his house payments because his stock was down so bad. Fucking loser. I don't think I can buy this. Look at the spread, dude. Look at this fucking spread. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy Dave. No, man. Why did I sell my BBAI, dude? China getting bids again. Okay, we're good. So is there a reason for this? No. Okay, I got bought some QMCO. Just a taste, guys. Just a taste. I don't think I'm gonna get much bigger than maybe 2% of my account in this total. I'll add some more in a bit. Oh, I can't believe I sold DXYZ though. I shouldn't have sold this one, obviously. But, you know, whatever. Is this space or geospatial Earth observation platform? Did I already have this in space? Do I already have this? No, okay. What's the market cap on this? It's some small cap, okay. Dude, can I fix this fucking candle or what? Like, come on, man. This is actually a great setup. Or no, it's not great. It's just a great weekly, but I don't want to buy it. It's fucking OTC. This WGS that you guys like so much for whatever reason, the spread is fucking dog shit still. This is dog shit ass fucking spread. I can't right click the bar and correct, not on. I don't think so. Wait, yes, maybe? Data window, is that it? It doesn't matter. I just got WGS, UPST, APLD. Uh, okay. I need to have my Bitcoin chart up, huh? I'll have my iBitch. Bitcoin selling off a little bit. Should I buy yen, guys? I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on. CRDO, chillin', GitLab, Rubric. I saw some fucking FinTwit asshole say that this was too extended to buy, so this might actually be a good buy. Because if you look on like the hourly and stuff, it's just grinding higher. This is like a breakaway gap type thing. But I'm not gonna buy it today, actually. Fuck it. Is this spread better yet? No, it's not. Wolf. Yeah, okay. Let's ditch this. GitLab. Ditch. Asana. Let's see if it can do anything, but oh yeah, I tried Altimmune too, and I fucking hate this stock. Just got owned yesterday, easy. I bought it, I started buying it here, and I bought more like here, and then I just cut it all when it broke below here. Fuck this stock, dude. This stock is fucking stupid. Just need some time, I guess. Thoughts on UEC? Just got my alert. You could have bought it yesterday. You can buy it today. Do I want it? I don't know. These this is it's just kind of choppy. The miners, the uranium miners, are all a little bit choppy. CCJ was yesterday, right? But you know what is these small new modular reactors I demoted. They're not looking as good. TLN had a good entry for uranium. I don't know, man. Not super excited about it. I am more excited about. Yeah, no, this is still very thin, huh? It's still pretty thin, but this is something that you should watch because of China's gonna stop exporting antimony to the United States. What am I looking at? What do I want to look at? PRZO. Or if you have a small account, you can watch this. I'm not super excited about this because it's just super thin, but let's see if it gets the 10 million volume. Oh, and I realized I forgot about Square. This is pretty good, stage two. And then also this is too thin, but it's a crypto name. A lot of nice stuff. PSQH finally getting owned, thank God. What does this do? Asana? Really? Okay. Someone said HNST. Uh, what is this again? Is this the fucking... Oh, this actually isn't bad. Oh, I know what this company is. I've seen ads for it. Yeah, fucking LA company, dude. That's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not prioritizing this. I'll put it into retail specialty stores. Let's put it in Soundhound short. Okay, I don't think so. We'll see. Maybe I should sell some. Oh, don't stop me out, bitch. How thin is this now? How thin is this? What did it get yesterday? 14 million? That's so thin. Oh no, Carvana, what are you doing? GXAI, what is this one again? Gaxos. Huh. What's the news? Let's see, it's not on here. Visual editor for Godot engine. Okay, whatever. What's this? What's the 5 million market cap, 2 million float? Serve is it shouldn't be too thin. It's not great, but no, it traded $144 million volume. It's fine. Normally it gets 44. It's fine. But I just don't think you don't need to buy this until it breaks these highs. It's gonna grind higher, bounce off 12, retest 10, grind higher here, and then hopefully PR above 12s. That's just my opinion. I don't think you need to buy it yet. Okay, if Soundhound breaks lows, I'll start selling some. Nice, reclaiming. Selling everything yesterday is for scrubs, guys. Look at this. Is Palantir 2 extended, guys? No. Bought it here. I might actually have to sell my Carvana. I'll sell it if it breaks below these lows. 247. 247.50s. Yeah, okay. What made me sell my BBAI? Just general retardation. Cause it tried to bounce here, which is fine. I bought it like here. I bought it like here, I think. Right. And I just bought a tiny size anyway, so it's not a big deal. And it was like, okay, bounce to try to, and then it was failing, so like whatever. This stock is such a piece of shit though. Just if you remember how it trended here, do you guys remember this? March 1st of this year? Was it this year? Yeah, it was this year. Do you remember this? This is the last 30-minute candle of that day. I think I was in this already from here, but I was in this from here, I think. Anyway, last 30 minutes, right? Breakout last 30 minutes, negative 15%. Like, are you kidding me? It looks even worse on the 10 minute. Do I have 10 minute? Yeah, okay. Look at this. And then gap up the next day. And I bought it again, of course. And they got stopped out like here. Anyway, I hate this stock. I got stopped out of my this starter for Quantum Co. That's fine. Probably needs one more day. Oh, the spread on this is also dog shit. Ugh, so annoying. Rigetti? Nice, dude. Yeah, I'm in Rigetti. Look at all the good quantum names are going again. It's so good. This is just, it's just so much free money. If you're not making money right now, if you're not making money right now, you got to reevaluate what you're doing. Is it better than 2020? It's not better than 2020, but it's better than 2021, yeah. 2021 breadth was limited. Small caps are going sideways. Small caps are going now. I might have to cut this fucking Semler piece of fucking shit though. Well, I didn't trade 2020. I was invested. I didn't start trading until 2021, but I was long. I made a lot of money just being long tech. Um, but yeah, I studied 2020 though, and so should you. 2020 wasn't you can go back and study 2020, dude. Just go back and study it. You should do that. Yeah, Semler's a piece of shit, dude. I have a small position, but the spread on this is also dog shit. It's like, uh, oh shit, son, what happened here? Another offering. Let's go. Where's the original offering? Was November 20th. Okay, let's put this up here. When did I buy Rigetti? I bought it here, got stopped out, and rebought it. I sold it all here. I sold some here, and I think I sold the rest here. Rebought it here. Well, yeah, see, I bought it here, got stopped out, rebought it on highs. Like literally, I rebought it on highs here first, and then everyone else, and then yeah, sold into these 340s, and I think they sold the rest around here or something. Then you rebuy here, and then this was the quantum EP day. This is the day like QBTS had this day, right? So this went from being illiquid as fuck to extremely liquid for me, right? Like I love this shit. When stocks, this is why this is why names like UMAC for example and Zena, like it's not over, right? It's just been the initial leg. Like this looks like it might have actually this one might be over. But who knows? But like see it wasn't liquid before this, right? So I consider this the start of its actual trading, right? Like from here and now it's liquid. AI multiple fakeouts of 3830. AI doesn't need more time. What does AI need, guys? What does AI need? I want to double check that it's the right earnings date. Expected report on the 9th. Yeah, this is the correct date after market. So what does AI need, guys? AI needs earnings. Okay, dude. Nope. 38 is the major level. You're wrong. Look, every time it goes above, the wicks all extend above 38. Now today, it's 38. This is like you could use this as a level too, but make no mistake, 38, 30, 38 more specifically is a level. Serve, really? Today? 17% already? The fuck, dude? There's no fucking news, right? Ugh, fucking shit. I'm not gonna chase this. No fucking news, right? Okay, but this has my attention now, guys. Okay, let's promote it. Finally, SoFi is gonna pull back and retest here. 40% on Asana, really, dude? Ugh. Do I enter breakout more often than anticipation? I don't know, it's a good question. I usually buy multiple times. Come on, haven't you been on stream long enough to know that? But sometimes I buy all at once, actually. So you know, whatever. It's no, not this stuff. Let's see, 22. This is looking pretty good, but it's still just so thin right now, huh? You're too busy looking at your own chart? Yeah, but I talked about this so many times, dude. What is the longest amount of time I've held a stock? I don't know. My average hold time is probably longer than it used to be 5 days. Now it's probably longer. I mean, I've held things for like months already. I held Rocket Lab for like to like, yeah, you know, I don't know, man. It held Coinbase for like a month. Yeah, I guess a month. Okay, I'm buying this. I'm buying some. Should I sell some Palantir? What should we use to stop? Let's just use $70. I think I'm gonna. I need a hard stop this one. Oh, it's just 70 is lows? Okay, great. How convenient. No, I'll do 69. I'm gonna start rebuying this too. Shout out all those scrubs who sold bit dear yesterday. Fucking losers. Do I even care about this? I don't know. Let's just. What's happening with rum? Oh, nice. It's the nepotism trade, right? Let's put it on here. Is fun doing anything, guys? What do I think of XPav? Yeah, I have an alert for it. I got an alert yesterday actually on this. I just wait for 25, right? I would just wait. I think China needs some more time overall. But we're seeing some bids again. That's a good sign, right? DocuSign. Okay. Someone asked me about Peloton. I don't like buying Peloton here, but this has clearly been going up. I don't really like this. It's not horrible, I guess. It's just, you know what this level is? This is the bottom of this part of the base, right? But who knows? Is there anything I said about Docs, right? But Docs did it. Docs gapped up here, and then it kind of just kept testing this 37 level. Although I don't really care for missing this either. I wish this was more liquid. I think I need to sell a little bit of bit dear, guys. Yeah, I sold a third of it. Come on, Carvana, what the fuck? Alright, I'll give it till. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. This fucking piece of shit stock, dude. I'm not gonna. I'm not. I don't. You can enjoy your AI levels. I don't really. I don't need to look at that. It doesn't matter for me. I'm not gonna buy more anyway, unless it gaps above 42. Actually, I should probably sell a little bit more, huh? All right, I can remove this section now. Dude, I'm so mad about this. Fucking piece of shit, dude. Why would I sell this suck? It's gonna go to like $4 at least. Really? 100% already? Jesus Christ. Damn, bro. What's the PR for this? Wait, did this, did it give me, I had to look this up myself. My largest position is MicroStrategy with 13%, and then only MicroStrategy, App, 11, Tesla, Coin, and Palantir are 10% or more. Palantir is 10.6%. Everything else is under 10%. Smallest position is Quantum Co with 1% or 1.2%. Very, very small position. Average position size is like 5 to 6%, I would say. Nope, not buying this. Annoying PA? Yeah, that's why I don't have that much of these right now. I'm down to like 3% of my account in each of these, but you have to hold some. It's just too strong. I'm at 34 positions, I think. Let me check. 34 positions, yeah. Now I mark it? Yeah. Well, I just don't want to trade this because the market cap is like super low. I don't know. But yeah, I'm obviously have to watch it now. Bitch ass Carvana, dude. Dude, fine. Fine, I'll cut it. Oh my God. So annoying. I had like 7% of my account in this too. I had to cut this one in. I had this one in my IRA too. So annoying. Oh, nice. This bounced back very strong. Good job. Dude, I got my suit back from the fucking tailor and it's still tight. So pissed. I can barely button the fucking blazer. It's so annoying, man. I'm so fucking tilted at this. Oh well, it's not my wedding. That'll make me lighter. I don't know if that'll make me look lighter. I mean, I don't look bad. It's just I just gained like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, probably 15. Oh my God. I'm not taking Wegovy though. The other thing is, uh, the fuck was I gonna say? Oh yeah, this like I bought this suit when like slim was. I guess slim fitting suits will always be in style, but like if I had bought it now, would have bought a baggier suit, like more straight fit. That would have been nicer. I'm so glad the era of skinny jeans is over, just in general. No, QBTS might be the Shiko leader, but it's like the leader is Ion Q, right? This is the large cap. This thing is the leader. Or it's not, it's a mid cap, I guess. These are all the shitco speculative names. But yeah, QBTS, according to Fungus, is the only one with close to a good prototype, I guess, out of the shitcos. Like this one, like Qubit, Quantum Computing Inc. I don't think they have a real product. I mean, they have this chip, but like, I don't know, I read about this. Apparently this company's a scam, which is fine. You know, scams are great. Oh, up 10%, 11%. Why would I sell this, dude? I'm so fucking stupid. Why would I sell this? Uh, 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 you know, you should just trust the 30-minute EMAs. I don't know why I sold it here. No, I mean I do. I'm just fucking stupid. Like, oh yeah, it's gonna double top here. That's it. I don't know, man. Oh well. 30-minute EMAs. Well, that's because I've been in these for a long time. I'm using the daily for these. I've been in this since like 20 bucks, dude. I've been an archer since like $5. So these deserve to be held. With like DXYZ, I was like, you know, these new trends. If they fail to 30, it might be like if you're buying a breakout and it fails to 30 or the hourly, it might be a sign to at least reduce, if not cut it. Like I've already taken profits on, you know, AOI and Archer, right? Like I don't need to. I think I took profits on this day too. It's you know, it's not the same thing. That's what I'm saying. Honestly, if I was more disciplined, I would have just held. I sold the rest either at the end of this day or this day. I think I sold the end of this day. I sold it all. But if I was more disciplined, I would have just held some with a 10 EMA. I did rebuy it here first, and I sold it here. Anyway, whatever. It's fine. I'm not mad. I am mad. PR0 flag is guaranteed to stop out. Guaranteed, man. Guaranteed. Okay, dude. Nothing is guaranteed, my friend. You know what? I'm gonna downgrade these two. I don't want them. Oklo getting some bids. Okay, I'll just give this one proper time. I don't know, man. Do what you want with Soundhound. Oh, this is setting up. I think it's too thin for me, right? Is it? What was Liquid Day? 16 million? You guys should be trading this. Do you guys see this? It's not the best weekly. Like weekly's kind of dog shit, but yeah. It's an EVTOL stock. Can I take this off my watch list? I don't want to watch this one anymore. Girlfriend AI? Okay. These two are also pretty thin, but they're getting some bids. I don't really like them, but I'm watching them for volume. Dude, this just keeps going higher, but it's where's the China antimony? Is it antimony or antimony? Dude, shit's gonna get so bad under Trump. They're gonna get more expensive. Trump is an accelerationist and a pedophile. You know, for all that Biden is, which is genocidal war criminal and a rapist, he's not a pedophile. Neither is Kamala Harris. Also, Kamala Harris is technically, I don't think Kamala Harris raped anyone either. So, you know, maybe that makes them better. Biden did? Wait, what was the second thing I said? Antimony? Wait, Biden showered with his daughter? I know Biden has like 8 counts of sexual misconduct, and like 1 or 2 counts of sexual assault. He's always smelling kids. But yeah, but Trump legit has like a serious accusation of child rape on him. Aluminium or aluminum? I don't know, like the weekly on Blade. It's just not as good. Like this is not really what I want to see. Like this kind of up and down. It's not horrible. It's just not as good as like this. This is the kind of weekly you want to see. Like a bull, right? Yeah, that's because Americans spell it without the second I. Is this another higher low for Aklo? We'll see. I'm willing to rebuy Carvana later. Let's just chill out. I saw Enox getting some bids, but this also trades like a piece of shit, dude. It had one good trade here. That was the one good trade it had. I bought it here and here. I didn't buy it here. I also bought it here. I bought it here, got stopped out, bought it here, bought it here. I don't think I made money on this. Well, this is getting a lot of dollar volume. What is this? 1.6 million market cap, 1.44 million float. This is some bankruptcy shit. Okay, I'm gonna buy more QMCO. Yeah. Let's go. Spread is 1%. Great. Yeah, I'll add more on 15. Dude, BBAI, fuck you, dude. Up 20%? Are you kidding me? Oh my fucking god. You want to share my scan? This is my scan. This is all I have on the filters. That's all I have. And I'm only looking at, I just look at gainers, dude. That's all I look at. What's your take on concentration versus just making sure you're in everything that works? Here, I can bring it up again. This is it. Because, well, there's a lot going right now, so I want to be in things. But when there's not a lot going, I will be concentrated. Like Tesla. Like Tesla during this run, I was like half my account in TSLL, the ETF, the 2X one. I also do some stupid things that, I mean, it's not that stupid. Like I put my whole account into AMD in here basically. I went like 90% long. It wasn't a good, I mean, I don't do that often. I was like 80% long GME here. Uh, I think I'm gonna not do that anymore. So, yeah. Yeah, no shit, this thing isn't done. Yesterday it just had news. Look at this taco shop deal, dude. Never heard of a more bullish PR. This had a good monthly. Anyway, notice how it doesn't really get moving until it starts like clearing these levels. Like all of these breaks, like this breakout, this is a decent breakout, but like look, it just fucking fails. And then it tries here, has a retest $6. I bought it here. Yeah, Roaring Kitty tweet. Yeah, I don't think he's washed, dude. This is such a piece of shit. What's the most liquid stellar lumens market? This is not liquid. Oh, I could add this to I can add this to my list of grayscale shit. This is horribly liquid though. But okay, it's half a billion on Binance. And then what's it on Coinbase? Quarter billion. Okay, that's pretty good. Should I just I'm just gonna do this. I kinda wanna sort these, but it's gonna whatever, let's just sort them. Is Litecoin moving? Yeah, this one's also moving. What else is this is I'm not gonna oh my god. Why am I not in a better shitcoin, guys? I've been sleeping on my crypto account. It's fine though. I guess Semler, MicroStrategy, and Coin need really need Bitcoin to move, huh? But now look, the miners are outperforming, you know, The Bitcoin treasury strategy, motherfuckers. There was another stock that I read about. What is this? This is too thin, but they're adopting a Bitcoin strategy and a Ripple strategy. So how do I? Okay. If like if Ripple starts to do something crazy, uh-huh. Yeah, if Ripple, wait, this is Ripple, right? XRP is Ripple? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's already gone parabolic, but if it really starts to let me put this here. Hold on, let me look at what's what's Ripple at? Ripple's at okay. Ripple is now the fourth largest market cap, right? Well, third if you don't count Tether. Ripple already has a larger market cap than Solana. Solana is 112 billion, Ripple is now 134 billion. So yeah, okay. So if Ripple overtakes Ethereum, maybe buy some of this. That's what I'm saying. This is the only, as far as I know, this is the only company as bullshit and as thin as it is. It's the only company with that holds Ripple. There's no Ripple Trust either, right? Okay, no, there's an XRP Trust. Good. Okay. Grayscale. Like this is a big deal. Okay. I don't know if you guys trade crypto. You guys probably don't, but this is a huge deal. Just keep this in the back of your mind. That's all I'm saying. Does Cardano do anything? Yeah, Cardano is also going pretty nuts, right? I should add this. BNB, Binance. This is like the boomer coin. So slow. Dude, this is quite liquid actually. Stellar Lumens. The monthly. Yeah, Sand getting some bids. Mana, okay. Less liquid. I can't bring myself to buy this. Rivian almost at 13. I'd want another PR on this though. Lucid doing anything? Probably not. 2% spread, dude? This is so fucking stupid. 14% on this? Oh no. Why am I not in this? I have to like, if this starts going parabolic, I'm gonna have to chase it. Yes, I'm obviously in Joby already. No, I'm not buying more. Dude, BBAI again on the highs? Oh, why? Why would it do this to me? Oh, pain, dude. Oh, come on. I don't deserve this. Yeah, Wolf sucks. Do I even need to track some of these? Like, these stocks I'll never trade. Yes, crypto miners are, they are, whatchamacallit, they were lagging and now they're leading Bitcoin. Funny how that works, right, guys? Who could have guessed that? Who said that on stream, like a month ago? Who could have said that? I don't know. Everybody crying on them? You mean in like on Discord? QSI? No, I'm not buying this. Funny how AI got momentum. What are you talking about, dude? This is see like what the fuck is this again? This is so thin. I'm gonna bump this back. They dropped an offering on the 4th? Okay, I forgot about this. Sementech, dude. Oh, I guess I should have rebought this. Whatever. It was good hourly. Dude, Carvana's gonna hold the 20. Just watch. This fucking piece of shit. Alright, let's see. Do I need to take profits on anything? It's almost 8 a.m. Damn, everything going crazy. How many positions do I have? I think 33. Explains the crankiness. No, I'm not cranky. I just don't respect anyone else as a trader. Did I buy Shop? No, I did not. I didn't buy Shop or SE, but I've been watching them, yeah. I just, what are they doing? Oh, nice. Shop had I didn't set an alert, I guess. But they're just a little slow. But no, they're probably accelerating. It's the same reason I Didn't rebuy net either. This is a little faster though. I think net will accelerate though at some point, like when it breaks this 120s level or something. What don't I like about Rubric? I actually said I liked it. I just didn't buy it. I specifically said that I think because FinTwit thinks this is extended, it's gonna go. This is what you call a breakaway gap setup. I just didn't buy it. I was focused on other things. I bought a CRDO. I bought a QMCO, and I cut Carvana. I want to save some buying power for these. Like this fucking RCAT, UMAC. This one less so. PRZO less so. Cooler less so. Mostly I like these two, UMAC and RCAT. Yeah. D-Dog sucks. D-Dog is choppy as fuck, dude. Is it gonna change character? Oh, it changed character! Never mind. I just disregard this stock because it's been choppy as fuck forever. It did change character though. Alright, fine. I'll add it to the backlist. Did it get news on the 21st? Oh, on Snowflake's earning? I don't know. But yeah, I'm not horribly excited about this. It's kind of slow. But yeah, it did change character. Why am I getting why is it using this backwards apostrophe? That's so annoying. Snow MDB, okay. Let's see, which one of these can I get rid of? One of these is dog shit. This is APOG. Yeah, let's get rid of this one. I'm gonna try to reduce this later too. RCAT has earnings in a week. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's not ready yet. I guess this is one where we're gonna check to see the actual earnings date. 12/20. Nasdaq says 12/20, dude. The Nasdaq site says December 20th, so might be a while. Huh? Is this halted? This is halted. Fun stuff. VTYX. Oh, this is a name I have not heard in a while. This is another weight loss one, yeah. It's just low volume squeeze. Oh, RX? Ooh, why is this getting bids? This is also NVIDIA backed. So all the NVIDIA backed things are going maybe. So is NOx also NVIDIA backed? NOx is NVIDIA backed. RX is. AISP is not, but this is getting some bids. Let's set an alert for 394. Let's add these. What's the other one I'm thinking about? The SoundHound is obviously NVIDIA backed. So is QSI. Serve is NVIDIA backed too. There's a lot of them. Serve is also what's the other fucking Beamer is. This is NVIDIA backed too. Nothing's happening here though. Yeah, let's make a watch list. Oh no, this still is small cap. Huh, these are all straight up in the small cap, except for this is micro cap. What else is NVIDIA backed? Let me Google this. APLD, that's right. APLD. NVIDIA backed. This is a mid cap now. Congratulations. ARM, I guess this is technically NVIDIA. This is, you know. Yeah, okay, fine. Large cap. But this isn't gonna move on NVIDIA news. This is gonna move when semis move. Pretty good monthly. I think you can wait till 160s to buy this though. Sauna? Okay. Why is this going? What do they like about it? Soundhound? Oh, you're right, it's mid cap. Congratulations. That's right. Is anything else NVIDIA backed? I think I got everything, right? What alert did I just get? NOx? Okay. Yeah, I got them all. The other one is Schrodinger is not NVIDIA backed, right? I have RXRX. Is this one? This is not NVIDIA backed, right? Square Weekly is good. I talked about it earlier on stream. Square is also Square holds a lot of or Block, excuse me, as it's called now, holds a lot of Bitcoin too. Oh, RXRX midcap? It is? Okay. Am I retarded? Did I just? Oh, I was looking at the float. I'm retarded. Yeah, I am just retarded. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, Square has what is the okay, let me look at this. Bitcoin holdings by company. Square is Block is number 8, right? Riot holds more than so it goes I'm not sure how up to date this is, but you can look at this. I'm not buying this. I should sell some Soundhound, huh? Where do you think this is gonna go? Is it gonna go to 18? Yeah, do you not see the link I posted? Just search up if you have links hidden or something, just look up Nvidia, I'm sorry, coin pub stocks companies by Bitcoin holdings. Yeah, look up companies by Google companies by Bitcoin holdings. You'll find it. Okay, you know what? I'm promoting these. Dude, did I just chase these? Should I just buy these? Oh yeah, QSI is Nvidia back too. This is the other one we were missing. Yeah, yeah, that's right. This one should be microcap. Yes, okay. I'm gonna wait for a better entry. And Nvidia is down on the day, surprisingly. No, this is so thin. I'm not gonna trade this. Oh, 10% on ASTS? Did this get news? No, right? Has this stock suffered long enough? Gone sideways for like 2 months now? 3 months? 3 months? Okay, yeah, what was I doing? I'm selling some Soundhound. That's right. I think I'm gonna sell some Rigetti and no, I'm not. I'm still coming out of a consolidation, arguably. But QBTS, maybe I should sell some. Yeah, I'll sell some QBTS. What the fuck is you don't get why these Nvidia backed companies are flying, specifically Serve. Yeah, neither do I, man. There's no news on Serve. I already Googled it earlier. They just moving. I got this alert yesterday from this $10 level, and then I just kind of ignored it. And then I set the highs, right? Did I get it? Yeah. Yeah, not yet. Where's my Serve alert this morning? Yeah, 1027. I guess that was the buy. This one. What's this doing? Yeah. Oh God, fuck this stock, dude. Oh, I did get a shop alert. Actually, I did get Shopify alert. There you go. I just ignored it. 35, probably yeah, the highs here. Yeah, I saw AUR. It's strong. It's just this is not the best trender. It had a good trend here. I bought it here. I think I bought it both here and here. It's strong. It's just like it's not. It's just kind of not a good trending stock sometimes. It's actually surprisingly liquid too, but I have it like it reminds me of this stock, which is really strong, but I don't like the way it trends. So, I'll send an alert for this too. Let's just why not? Where do I have AUR? I have it on 3, yeah. This is in self-autonomous. Yeah. But yeah, no, it's a good weekly, you're right. Yeah, it is. It's also a shit SPAC. I like doing this for the SPACs. Dotted line at 10. It probably goes at $10. Oh shit. Fuck yeah. What the fuck? Oh shit. Good PR. What the fuck? Excellent PR. Thank you for that. Also, I love I changed my mind on Waymo. I think I already talked about this. But yeah. Shit, dude. That's some fucking PR. Let's add Nvidia to this mega cap section. Is it not on TradingView? No, it's not. Of course it's not. Oh, this is 2018. Never mind. So it didn't get new news, but yeah, it's still good to see, I guess. I'm just gonna put this here, I guess. And then A-Lab. I kind of feel like putting ARM in mega cap. I feel like mega cap is usually 200 billion and above. Let's no, whatever, it's fine. Because this is like barely large cap, right? It's still like 13 billion. You know what? It's technically large cap, but I'm gonna keep it in mid. Market kind of switch in the last 5 minutes. What the fuck? No, dude. What are you trying to? You think a 5 minute red candle in SPY means the market is turning? Are you kidding me? Are you joking? BitDeer is not in the BTC holdings list. I don't know. It might not be extensive. Will I be streaming over the holidays? Maybe occasionally. I'm gonna be on and off, I guess, depending on. I still haven't booked all my flights yet. I need to figure out exactly what I'm doing. I need to go. I need to go see my parents, and then I'm gonna go. I have to figure out what I'm doing for New Year's. I might be traveling to somewhere tropical, I think. I'm not gonna say where because it's a small island, and it's gonna be I don't want to get doxxed out there. It's small enough that someone Epstein. It's small enough. It's not. It's small enough that that if someone wanted to, they could go there and potentially find me because I'll be. No, but I don't know. I'm not gonna say where I'm going. Dude, 80% on this already? Holy fucking shit. I was like kind of like skeptical of this, but it was like, okay, I saw it have the 10 day yesterday. Did I get an alert on this? I got it at 15. Okay. But it's a maybe. It looks like app is officially my largest position now that it's increased another 5%. Yeah, it was app yesterday, then it was MicroStrategy, but these two are pretty close. Yeah, that's I guess what I'm trying to say. I don't think this is going to break out until next week. This is clearly a failed breakout, but now it can, it's set up again. This is a better setup, believe it or not. Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm gonna be either. Dude, I don't wear a suit, man. But yeah, it'll be the guy on the laptop on the beach. That'll be me. I'm usually in sweats for what it's worth. Okay. I had to look at what I'm gonna take profits on. I already took profits on QBTS. I really don't want to sell any Rigetti, but maybe I should. I don't know. Do I do much work aftermarket? Uh, Generally, no. I mean, sometimes I'll look at Bitcoin. I'll do some. I'll do no. I'll do some amount of work, but not much. Usually, if I stream for like 1 to 2 hours around this time, and then I go for a walk or make food or do whatever, and then I'll come back and check markets near end of day. But no, most of what you see is like my entire process. I don't do much outside of this. What's Oklo doing? I want to buy this again at some point. I know that much. No, I do update charts with news, and I do some scans, but usually I get most of that shit done during market hours. I don't use hard stops. I do sometimes. I have like 5 hard stops in right now for like the. You're welcome. For like the like QMCO, like these shitcodes, I have hard stops on. But for like things like app for example, right, or like these really liquid ones, I don't have stops in. The really liquid stuff, I don't have hard stops. Just generally speaking. If I'm away, I have my phone, dude. I get alerts on my phone. I have I have a sorry, Trader Work TWS on my phone. I will trade on my phone, yes. But yeah, for the shitcodes, I will have hard stops. Yeah, you kind of you kind of have to. Um, I've had no reason to use Pro. I'm cheap motherfucker. So, they say like you pay commissions regardless, right? Like you either pay commissions on your fills because you don't get the best fill, or you just pay commissions. But I haven't found it that necessary. Like there have been a few times where I wish I had pro because with light, I can't trade till 4 a.m. PST. So from 1 to 4 a.m., the first 3 hours of pre-market trading, most brokerages, I believe, won't let you trade during the first 3 hours of pre-market trading unless you have like a paid, like a premium account or some kind. But it doesn't really matter. The market is so thin before. Well, it's 4 a.m. PST, 7 a.m. Eastern, right? So 7 a.m. New York Stock Exchange time. The market is really thin. So most of the time, things don't happen until 7 a.m. New York time anyway. And that's when you might see some volume come in pre-market, if at all. So in short, it doesn't matter. You just, stick with light. Oh no. Dude, the Doc Martens sale is over? I was gonna get some shoes. Oh, motherfucker. Oh well. I'm still wait for Christmas. Yeah, for the pro you got okay, so if you're day trading, you need pro, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'm not a day trader. You gotta ask a day trader about that. But yeah, yeah, you can ignore everything before. That's what I mean. You don't need to. And honestly, most pre-market you could ignore. Am I as doom and gloom about 24-hour trading coming in? No, I am not. If people have expressed concern to me, I just don't see it. I don't care. It's not gonna matter. Things already trade 24 hours on Robinhood anyway, and I can trade 24 hours on some stocks, some securities on TWS with IBKR. It's just not a big deal. It's so thin. Do you really think that like I mean, if I'm proven wrong, I'm wrong, but like I don't think that I think most liquidity is still going to be during the day session. But yeah, maybe I'll be wrong. Who the fuck knows? The people who are like, we're not going to have an edge anymore, never had an edge in the first place. That's what I gotta say. Like, do you think that fundamentally the market structure will change? The answer is no. The stock market is a fucking scam, right? It's a vehicle to transfer money from working class people into the hands of financial institutions and the oligarchs that run America. It doesn't matter what it's designed for, that's what it does functionally. So, how does that work, right? These institutions will still have to accumulate large positions over time, and they can't do that all at once, and 24-hour trading is not going to make a difference in how they accumulate. So, like, if you're trying to swing trade, if you're trying to buy stocks that are entering stage two, or a stage two kind of accumulation, a continuation type trade, that remains the same. Market structure does not change at all. But it would change the way gap ups work. No, man, I don't think it will. I mean, and either way, it doesn't matter. You don't have to buy a gap up right away. It doesn't matter. If a stock is going to enter a stage two trend, you will have multiple opportunities to enter. It does not erode your edge. If you think it does, you probably do something different than I do. I don't know. There's different ways to make money, I guess. But for what I do and for what the vast majority of swing traders do or should be doing, it's not going to make a difference at all. Dude, should I sell some app? I feel like I shouldn't. I feel like I should be greedy with this. For what it's worth, I don't think this rally is over until Tesla goes parabolic. If you start seeing Tesla, like, I think Tesla's going to rally to 400s, and then it's probably going to sell off a little bit, and then it's going to go parabolic. Yeah, exactly. Divers made money trading end of day with telegrams. Exactly. Exactly, dude. Curious as to why I say until Tesla. Tesla's just it's it's a mega cap, and I think it rallies into the inauguration, right? Tesla's a Trump trade. That's why. It's just a hunch. I could be very wrong about Tesla. Would I add to Rocket Lab here if I only had a little? I don't know. That's a good question. I guess so. Yeah, you can add. I don't think I'm gonna add though. I have 6.6% of my account in this. It's enough. But yeah, not a horrible spot. It's at it's surfing the 10-day. You can wait though. If you add to it right now, I don't know. Don't be surprised if it undercuts today's lows at some point. But yeah, I think we rally into inauguration. That's what I think happens. And then maybe inauguration, sell the news, or like maybe a little bit of a blow off top after post inauguration. And then base for a bit, and then then watch for Trump deregulating some things, and that could be catalysts. Or maybe then the China trade is back on the table. When all these tariffs come in and it turns out that China is still doing very well because they don't rely on exporting to America for everything. But yeah, I expect the Trump effect to be maybe it'll be similar to like Milei in Argentina, where the market goes to the moon, like YPF, right? Uh, it's not as good. Market moons, but the people suffer. Like poverty is like 50%, right? Dude, all the right wingers collectively trying to. There must be so much cognitive dissonance with like, quote unquote libertarians about like the insane poverty rate, the insane amount of inflation still going on in Argentina. Yeah, I was watching MBiz. I think I forgot who someone brought it up, but I was and then I talked about it again yesterday. But yeah, I was someone brought it up around here, and this is the stock that was delisted. Oh yeah, it was JDub. That's right. Yeah, yeah, that it was you. You got credit for this one, but it was delisted, and then all these Russians moved to the Netherlands. Yandex? What are you talking about? What is this? What is this? Is this this is the index? Is this the Russia index or what is this? Okay, so that's their stock exchange. Okay. Yeah, yeah. No, I mean it has been trading on Nasdaq since October 21st. Yeah, yeah. But no, it's not an IPO. It's just I guess it could be seen as an IPO. I don't know, man. But I believe it was a I'm pretty sure before it was still traded as a depository receipt, right? It was just also traded on Yandex. And yeah, because of sanctions, right? Yeah, it was delisted. This was a decent setup, I think. Too thin. Anyway. Oh yeah, Lyft also got yanked on this Waymo news, right? Dude, Waymo IPO would be so fucking lit. I'm telling you, Waymo is the way to go. If you have Waymo, in your area, you should use it. It's not that I don't hate all Uber drivers or anything. Only the most of them are fine, but some of them are weird and will try to like talk to you about things you don't want to talk about. And then, it's also like it's just easier to have a conversation with your friends when you're not when there's no one else there. No, because you know what? They actually because Waymo, unlike Tesla, actually uses LiDAR. Because someone at Tesla, Elon, was like, no, we don't need to use LiDAR. We're just going to use, we're just going to use video sensors. It's just like fucking stupid ass shit. But anyway. But yeah, Waymo is pretty good. I can get to downtown LA with it. I'm going to take one today to my wedding rehearsal. The short bear? Please do not mention the short bear. I do not want to hear about that kid. The market is not behaving? The fuck is he talking about? Dude, the fuck is he talking about? We're just getting started, man. ARK is just breaking out of this base. It's crazy to say. SoFi? Yeah, SoFi probably got bought up, huh? Dude, he's a fucking short bear, dude. So cringe. I just hate people that like say the market is not good when it's clearly good. This is why I love Chris. He's like, we've been in a bull market for 2 years. He's just like, it's like you haven't made money. That's your fault. All right, Rivian, I think could make a move. This is such a dog shit weekly though. Absolute dog shit weekly. I don't want to. I don't want to hear about short bear. Next person to type about short bear gets banned. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not gonna ban anyone. I'm not gonna ban anyone. No one gets banned. Do I have a max stop loss like 10% from your entry? I like to think I cut it before 10%. Yeah, but sometimes if like it's a really volatile stock, I'll give it room. Like if I have, oh no, like for example for PRZO, right? When I traded this, I bought it like I forget where I bought this exactly. I bought it like before I crossed this line though. I bought it like I think like 120s with 1% of my account and I just held it. I didn't even have a stop loss for this. I had a alert for low day because if this goes down like 50%, right, it's only half percent loss anyway. You know what I mean? So like for something like this, I just wanted to be in it. I sold it all on this day and just made, a tiny bit of money. It depends, man. If it's like a shitco, I use a hard stop. If it's not a shitco, I don't use a hard stop. Yeah, exactly. QBTS ADR 23%. Yeah, you're right. 23% ADR. But for the shitcos, I will usually use a hard stop. I'll put it below low of day or something like that. But for the liquid names, you don't need a hard stop, guys. Unless you're actually going to be like working a job where you can't pay attention. And then, I can't help you. Then, figure it out. It's not my problem. But you know what? I don't have a real job, so I can afford to be checking my phone. What the fuck is going on here again? Okay, yeah, this is the NASA Earth contract. It's pretty thin. Alright, I was gonna check up on these ones. Uh, CXAI catching bids. Oh shit, BuzzFeed quietly making highs. This is so thin, man. This is also potentially a Trump trade, right, Vivek? Bird flu fear mongering again? I've not heard it. Is it like the right wingers, like the people who are like, I don't know. It's like a lot of those people are just full of shit, man. Yeah, I remember someone on Discord, like when I used to be on Discord more, I was like maybe like 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. There's a dude who was he's just a really weird guy. He like he was on semen retention, and he was like basically like a Christo fascist type person. Uh, and he believed in all these crazy conspiracies, like that there wasn't enough food in the world, which is like this like big right wing lie that we're because food wise we're definitely like post scarcity. He's on semen retention, no fap. He loved to talk about that. He just wouldn't. He talk about like not jerking off and how everyone needed to stop jerking off or having sex just to stop coming. Yeah, dude, it's like an incel thing, dude. These incels like they're on semen retention. It's a real thing. Okay, no, I understand. Like, look, man, I understand what you're saying. Like Miles Davis talked about that. Like he wouldn't have sex or jerk off before a performance, but like this guy wouldn't like he would just not refuse to come for like an entire year or something, and he would like brag about like, oh, it's been like a year since I've ejaculated. Like it's like what the fuck, dude? It's some weird ass shit. Like before I had sporting events, like my coach told me, like when I used to do sports as a kid, he told me not to like. Never mind. But yeah, why is that something to talk? Because he's fucking weird, dude. He just like Yeah, I get like that porn like is bad in a lot of ways, right? Like porn is aside from being like all the sex trafficking and whatnot, like it's like it can fuck with your perception of women. I don't know, but like that's a different thing, right? Like I understand that, and I kind of agree with that. But like this whole no fap thing, I don't know. They're like vegans, yeah. The thing is, I used to be vegan too. It's something I'm ashamed to admit. Soul bra? Look, like whatever you want to do. I don't care. I'm not judging. I'm just saying like that was the kind of that guy, the student retention guy, he would always talk about like the next pandemic that the government is inventing or some shit like that. It was just crazy talk. He's really on that shit, dude. Horny as fuck 24/7. I'll tell you what I do. I just have sex. And then if I can't get it up, I take some hymns. That's what I do. The long bear. Yeah. A Roman bathhouse thing? What the? You were hooking up with dudes in a Roman bath? Is that what you're talking about? What are you talking about? Dude, I follow this gay TikToker, and he's talking about how like in Japan, like the bathhouses are super like prejudiced. Like they like some of them will only let Japanese men in, like the gay bathhouses. Some of them will, if you have long hair, they won't let you in. If you're Chinese, they won't let you in. It's so fucking funny. Yeah, long hair. It's this guy. He's hilarious. If you have TikTok, go follow him. His name is Chris Zhu. Zou. He has two TikTok accounts, I believe. One for like inappropriate shit, and one for still inappropriate shit, but less. I don't know. Stories of CZ. It's probably not for everyone, but I think he's hilarious. Where's his other account though? That's the regular one. That's the normie one. Oh yeah, he has the gay one, the gayer one. Oh yeah, this is the video, the bathhouse rules one. Yeah. Okay, wait. I had to look at. I keep. Okay, QMCO. Nice. Here we go. I'm gonna buy more. Let's go. Let's buy more. Most sex places are like that in Japan. I was in the red light district as Gaijin, the shadiest. All right. Whoever this guy, Wallenstein, this is okay. You are now one of my favorite people in chat. It's fucking. I mean, no judgment, but like, so I, like I was in Amsterdam recently, right? And I was like in these like, red light district. I don't get it, man. Isn't it fucking gross? Like, I guess just a hypochondriac, but like I'm like looking at these girls, and yeah, some of them are hot, but like it's like this tiny ass room, and then like that just like someone else was just in there getting some, a second fuck or something for like 100, 200 euro. And then what happens, right? Like they just like disinfect real quick for like 5 minutes, and then next, like I don't know, man. I'm just like I'm too much of a hypochondriac for that. And also, I can't really get it up with a condom, so that's also a problem. I just don't like having sex with condoms. So yeah, I'm never gonna see a sex worker. Cause ain't no way I'm going raw into a prostitute. Anyway, well, no, I don't have. That's what I mean. I just don't. What I mean by that is I will still have sex with condoms if it's like the first time, but usually I would like, try to find someone to like have steady sex with, right? Instead of yeah, like instead of doing condoms. Well, yeah, birth control. So like here's the other thing. Birth control for a lot of women like makes them now more women are starting to realize this that like I've had like several friends tell me they went off their birth control and then they got they just their depression went away, or like they used to be suicidal and then they went off their birth control and all of a sudden they're happy. It's so fucked. What happens if you don't pull out in time? It's a great question, man. You go for plan B. Always have plan B on deck. You can buy the generic one. It's only like $35, I think, instead of like 55. Yeah, dude. Plan B smoothies. But no, you can just get generic. It's cheap, much cheaper. But it is pretty fucked. Like the way they package it is like so much plastic for just a small tiny pill. Okay, I kind of want to buy more, but I think it's too much. The spread is like 2 cents, 2% on this sometimes. Yeah, I know I gotta be careful. Getting trapped? Yeah, okay. I understand what you're saying. Thank you for the concern. But I'm telling you, most bitches don't know how much money I have. I don't let it be known that I have a lot of money. Generally speaking, they know I have some amount of money because like I pay for all the like dinners and dates and stuff. But I live in an expensive apartment, but it doesn't look super luxurious. Like if you came over, you wouldn't think I'm super rich, even though my rent is like almost 4 grand. It's just where I live in Venice. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. She went on the YouTube channel. I should have told her about that. Bro, you didn't even have your own room there in Japan. It was like a church with seats on the sides of an aisle. Some middle-aged, I can't say that word. It's just sitting behind you getting out and stuff when you're not there. They t- oh my God. When you nut, they take it in the mouth and spit it out in a bucket and wipe you with the Kleenex. Okay, yeah, you are the best person to chat by far. It's not even close. Okay. Oh my fucking God. Jesus Christ, it's so funny. That's fucking disgusting though. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I'd be able to come. Wait, so you're getting head in next to other dudes without a condom? This is crazy, man. This is crazy shit. What am I? I can't. Oh no, this is banger stories, dude. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. The nut sunning? Oh, this is this one is it the same as the people who sun their assholes? Oh, nice. This is the Andrew Callahan video. Dude, wait, so what happened to Andrew Callahan exactly? He got accused of sexual assault or something, but then he just came back. I mean, I still watch his videos. I'm just wondering. Did that happen? Okay, so nothing, whatever. See, like I'm not gonna rant too much about this, but I don't really some things I just don't take seriously. Like a lot of the liberal Me Too crowd, like these people will like try to cancel like Louis C.K. for jerking off without, rightfully so. Rightfully so. What Louis C.K. did was non-consensual. Oh, Callahan blamed alcohol. Okay, I mean that's not a fucking excuse. I was drunk, so I did the essay. Dude, that's not. Yeah, but I mean, whatever. I don't. Okay, I'm still gonna watch his videos, but like Louis C.K., I still like him, right? Even though he's racist, double down, whatever the fuck, it doesn't matter. Like the people that try to cancel Louis C.K. and Dave Chappelle, like refuse to like cancel Joe Biden. That's what I have a problem with. Like they just ignore, selectively ignore Biden's not just like forget the genocide and all, like his all the raping he's done, right? Anyway, I'm not gonna rant too much about that. I'm sure I have before. I just found a Plan B pill on Amazon for $9. Is that legit? Biden is a sniffer too, but he also like Biden has 8 counts of sexual misconduct and 1 count of sexual assault, I think. At least. Yeah, yeah. All the women has or probably more than this. Anyway, fuck Joe Biden. Get a refund. Dude, for one of my friends, Plan B didn't work for her. So okay, this is actually a funny story. I can tell you guys because you guys don't know her, and you're not gonna know her. I'm not gonna say her name, but she was fucking this Latino guy, right? I think he was Brazilian. No, he wasn't Brazilian. He was Colombian or something. But it doesn't matter. But anyway, so he was so she's not on birth control because of the whole depression thing, right? That all the bitches are getting off birth control, and Oh, let me set this alert. And he's like, she said he tricked her into letting him come inside her. This guy's also fucking retarded because he knew she wasn't on birth control. But anyway, he was like, he said something like, "Say come inside me" in Span. He said it in Spanish, and he's like, say si," and then she's like, "Si," because and then he just nuts inside her. And anyway, then she goes to get Plan B, and it doesn't work, and she had to get an abortion. I don't know how to say "come" in Spanish, but that's what he said. Yeah, yeah, and then she like anyway, Plan B didn't work. Is what I'm saying. Yes, it is fucked, but it is also funny. Yeah, I mean, it blurs the lines of consent for sure. Yeah, the same girl also hooked up with someone, and then later on she found out that he was homeless, like living out of his car. Oh, poor girl. And she said it was the first guy that like she wasn't able to have an orgasm through penetration alone until this guy, and then she found out that he was living out of his car. Yeah, I know. And the thing is, she's like super hot, super successful too. I think she makes like 200K a year. Like, I don't know, man. But like, she showed me a picture of this guy. He looks pretty attractive. The guy living out of his car. This is why we can't have a meetup, just in case. Like, I don't know. She would kill me for telling rant straight. You're never gonna meet her. You don't know her name. Anonymous stories. Not only was she, no, okay, yeah, not only was he living out of his car, not only was he homeless, he was also a meth addict or like a recovering meth addict, but like was down to get some. No, no, he's not, definitely not living out of his car while working a tech job, but he didn't look like a meth addict. The picture was good. No, he looked pretty attractive conventionally. Oh, it's been a pretty long stream. I think I want to cut the stream soon. Let me just go through everything one more time. I sold some BitD already, right? What are my trades? Yeah, I sold some. I took profits on QBTS, Soundhound, BitDeer. I cut Carvana. I bought CRDO and QMCO. Okay, that's what I did. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna sell any app. I'll sell. I think app should go parabolic too, right? Like this is still not parabolic. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, Sana? Yeah, I'm surprised at this one, but I don't think I'm gonna rush into this either. I think this has like if you guys remember, Asana was a great this was a great trade in 2021. Um, right, you had this is back when I drew shit like this, I guess. I don't draw shit like this anymore. Let's draw it like that. Yeah, this is actually passable for yeah, that's passable. And then yeah, this EP, yeah, it was good. I'm pretty sure I didn't buy it until this day though. I think I got stopped out here. Yeah, that's right. Mbis? Oh, it is? Okay. Mbis is NVIDIA backed. Oh yeah, it is. I have it marked here. What? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. What is this? 7 mid cap. Nice, nice. We got a good watch list. You guys can have it. Where did my friend even meet a guy like the dude who lives out his car? I don't know, at some dive bar, I think. I mean, yeah, a lot of my female friends are kind of like, they're bops, basically, which is fine. Girls should be allowed to be sluts. The thing is, I just like sometimes I'll be like, oh, I just like I'm okay with it. Like, yeah, just you should have all the sex you want, but like I don't want to hear a story about you being a bop when I'm taking you out to dinner. Like I don't know. Sometimes I just do not understand that. I don't want to hear that shit. Like, why are you telling me the story? Or like you go out to the club and like she knows like
five different people there, like five different, like, or knows, like, never mind. I don't want to know. That's all I'm saying. Don't tell me that shit, you know? What else was I looking at? RXRF, that's right. Okay, I have an alert on this. Yeah, still a lot of the day left. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go on a walk or bike ride, I think. It's super foggy out today. I'm going to I'm going to this dinner tonight, and it's fucking like A5 Wagyu buffet dinner. It's just like some fucking ridiculous shit for like $100 a head. So I'm supposed to fast all day so I can make the most of this, I guess. Like king crab, Wagyu beef. I don't know, man. It's just kind of ridiculous. And I only had one steak since I started eating meat again, and I was in Paris. POE 2? What is that? Path of Exile? Yeah, I'm not gaming because of the carpal tunnel. What's the catch? The buffet? I think you have like 2 or 3 hours to eat it all. I'm not sure. Anyway, later, guys.